Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to go live on Tango app. Before we get into our video, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing that we're going to do is open our Tango app. Here, as you can see, once you open your Tango app, you'll be on the home page. On the home page, on the bottom, you can see a floating video icon. All you'll have to do is tap on that video icon. Once you tap on the video icon, on the top right hand side corner, you can see various icons. If you tap on the first icon, from here you can get different kind of filters such as makeup, beauty, and you can even put on a mask if you prefer. And if you tap on the second icon, then from here you can share your live with different platforms such as WhatsApp, even Instagram, and so on. You can also copy the link. And on the third icon, that is the settings icon, here you can see various options. On the first option, you can see who can speak in broadcast, there are friends and there are on request, you can choose a preferred one. And on the second option, you can see who can invite me and who can chat. And you can also see the battle duration, that is 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes. If you look on the below, you can see various icons once again. On the first icon, you can see a microphone icon. From here, you can turn it on and off. And the second icon helps you to add music to your live. And the third icon is your video icon. The video icon basically means you can either turn on the camera or turn it off. And on the second last option, you can see a mirror icon. If you tap on the mirror icon, then the audience will see you the way you see. And on the very last icon, you have a camera icon. If you tap on it, you can flip the camera. You can use either the front camera or the back camera. And on the very last option, you can see a hashtag. If you tap on the hashtag, here you can add various hashtags. Here you'll also get some suggestions. And those were some cool features. Now getting into our how to get live on Tango app, you can see your option go live, that is on the very bottom. Once you tap on the go live option, you'll have to wait for some time for it to connect. Then on the bottom you can see icons such as share, invite, stickers, games and filters and even more. After that, on the top left hand side corner you can see how many people have joined your live. Then after that, tapping on the icon that is located right below, you can see various options such as statistics. From here you can view the time, viewers, diamonds and followers. On the left hand side you can see option viewers. If you tap on the viewers option, here you can see all the viewers that you have on your live. And that was all for our today's video. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to go live on Tango app. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. Don't forget to leave us a like. Have a good day.